description.
Alrighty, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got something. We got Samyang's Buldak SWICY. Yeah, sweet and spicy, SWICY. This one comes with little star-shaped sprinkles. It's like literally supposed to be the mildest thing out there. See the little sprinkles? So they've got a product also called Popeye Snack, which you can find at H Mart. It's like a oblong bag, and it has pieces of noodle that you just crunch up to eat like potato chips, and it's got these little hard like rocks that are star-shaped like these. But these, I believe, are going to be a lot smaller. So, interesting. I don't know what to add to it. I asked Gemini what it thought. It was like, oh, fried spam and this and that. And I was like, really? I don't know. Didn't sound all that great. So I'm just going to make it straight. One enormous noodle block going into the boil, and it goes for 5.5 minutes. We drain it, add the crap on top, and then we're grooving. But yeah, thanks for joining me today. It is January 13th, 2025. It's a Tuesday. Woo, Tuesday. Yeah. The world is on fire. I'll just leave it at that. So what's going on? Not other than that. I mean, I'm sure there's like crazy business going on in your time frame. I was thinking I'd push this out early, but I don't know that I will. But maybe I should. It's really hot right now. It's really hot on the socials, so I might push it out early, but I will try it today, and then I'm going to do a mukbang with my son Miles, who's 10 years old, on Sunday. So if I were going to push it out, it'd be like Monday, which, you know, that might not be a bad idea. But yeah, I'm beat. And it's weird outside, man. It's like, yesterday it was kind of unseasonably warm, but today, I think it's about 60 degrees out. And it's January 13th. And to me, that signals that, oh, it's nice, it's comfy, it's really good. In fact, I went out in t-shirt and sweatpants, and I'm sweating. So it's like, I might go out again in a bit after lunch. But I'm wearing a t-shirt and shorts, man. It's like too warm for a t-shirt and sweatpants. It's just too warm. At least for me. For me. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, it's pretty cool. My son just like all of a sudden got like super hard on doing mukbang and trying all the Buldak flavors. So it's like, okay, dude, we can do that. We can do that. This one, if it's anything like its predecessor that I tried this bowl, and it was just called Buldak Sweet. And not a lot of flavor, very mild, like, I don't know, my daughter might be able to handle it. I'm not sure. But I don't know. She wants to try it on Sunday, so maybe I'll let her. I might allow that. So we got an action-packed weekend coming up. On Friday, we're going to a birthday party to this place called The Ridge. It's like a 4-story tall, I think, playground. in the corner. Then they've got like a snack bar and stuff. So that's cool. And what's nice is all my kids' friends' parents are rad, so it's fun to hang out with them, BS about this and that. And t'other thing. So yeah. There, that's framed nicely. Look at that. Isn't that a beauty? It's just a beauty. Let's stir occasionally. Yeah, I think I'll have to go out again. Tried to reach my brother this morning, but no avail to that. It's really, you know what, after doing the Nissan Advent calendar over the holidays, this doing one review a day thing, this is so freaking liberating, folks. I tell ya. It's nice. Because it's like, all I gotta do is one. I don't have to rush it. I can pay more attention to detail. I can do more this and more that. So yeah. It's groovy. And it's like if I want to go out at walk after lunch, I don't feel like a time squish for getting my stuff all taken care of. I can do that when I get back from a walk and be pretty much done with it by the time the kids hop off the bus. So yeah. Had a guy stop me asking for change. Seemed like a nice guy. I didn't have any change. I'm pretty broke. But he was talking to me about my hat. He's like, that looks like, oh, I can't think of the name. Then he remembered it. He said it looked like a boonie hat. That, you know, those guys in Vietnam with the M16s. I'm like, no, I didn't. That's cool. So the hat that I have looks like, I can get down with that. Maybe I can get make an actual boonie hat. And maybe that will be lighter in the summer. Because the hat I have is a, what is it? Outdoor Research Gore-Tex Seattle rain hat. The rain definitely ain't done yet. We'll have more of that. Alright, let's stir this up. Alright. Buldak sauce. Fan of sauce. So I am going to try it. This one isn't going to be anything to like scream and shout and write home about. Hey, that rhymed. What if all of a sudden you realize that everything you said rhymed and it wasn't on purpose? Like, why am I rhyming all the time? That'd be weird. See, this smells spicy. This smells like a good spicy bulldog sauce. It smells very bright and tangy. Alright. So I actually have 2 packs of these sprinkles. Because to get the review ready, I just saved the sprinkles from another pack. It's not like I'm going to eat a ton of this, right? So I just want to try it with the sprinkles. There is the sprinkle. That doesn't look like little sprinkle stars. I don't know. Let's give it a go. So we got noodle, we got sprinkle. Cheers. The sprinkles are odd. I don't know if I'm a big fan of the sprinkles. The flavor, definitely muted for Buldak, which is not a bad thing because it's actually, this is savory. I like this a lot better than the bowl version, that's for sure. The bowl version tended to be a little more, I don't know. That's good. This is going to be one where I'm going to really not add anything to it other than what it comes with. Okay. Okay. All right. Am I making myself clear? I certainly hope so. If not, that's okay too. Alright, there's our SWICY. Such a weird term. A buddy of mine, the fat hipster, was like, that's about the cringiest term I've ever heard for anything, dude. I don't know. Okay, I just want to... some of them, but they're not all sprinkly stars. In fact, I'm going to take the other sachet that I have over here. But where is it? There it is. I'm going to add this on it too, because I'm really curious about these little stars. They do look like the Popeye snack stars, just way smaller. Those Popeye snack stars will bust your teeth. There we go. Alright, so there's one of them. Hey, here's stuff making music. Let's try it. Yeah, it's just like a little piece of rock candy. I gotta say I'm happy with this because the sweet thing generally is not touched on a lot in the instant noodle verse, and there are some that I want to try, like there was a chocolate one from Japan, there was a strawberry shortcake one from Japan. Of course we had the pumpkin spice here, but this is a little different. Korean. Cool. Well, that's all about all I got for you today. So, yeah, I mean, if you want to have the Buldak experience and really can't handle heat, I will say this might still be a little too much for you. I think if my wife tried it, she'd be like, ooh, because she just can't do heat. My daughter really can't do heat. My son might think it's a little spicy. I'm feeling a little bit of front of mouth. And I didn't eat much of it, so there you go. It's definitely mild. It's not 2x. It's not 1x. It's mild. I did the taco one, for example. That one's definitely spicier than this, though. And the taco one was like one of the most mild varieties I've had. So, anyways, with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Check out www.theramenraider.com. We've got over 5,000 reviews there, and you'll like that. So you do that. Have a good one. Bye-bye.